What up, good people? Huge shout out to Southern Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2024 Hyundai Elantra. Behind me is the 2024 Hyundai Elantra. Let me give you a little history behind the Hyundai Elantra. The Hyundai Elantra was introduced in October of 1990. The first refresh was 1993. 7 generations later, we got the 2024 Hyundai Elantra.
Today we're introducing the 2024 Hyundai Elantra, wrapped in a stunning Amazon gray. With its bold 185 inches in length, sleek 55 inches in height, and a road-hugging 5.3 inch ground clearance, this Elantra engineered for both style and precision. Under the hood is an inline 4-cylinder powered by smart screen technology, pushing out 147 for the torque, 132 at 4,000 RPM. For the 0 to 60 in 8.1 seconds, eventually we'll get there. For the top speed, 124 with an impressive MPG on the highway, 41 city, 31. Here's the sound of it. Sleek and smarter than ever. Your phone now can open doors and so much more. This has an MSRP of $27,000. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black cloth seats. Right here, we're looking at a 10.25 inch digital cluster gauge. On the left, you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right, you have your RPMs with your engine temp. In the middle, you have a little Elantra. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your mode and favorite. Looking on the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings with your lane keep assist alongside your follow assist. The buttons right here are your interior dim with your traction control. Looking down on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we're looking at a 10.25 inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Blue Link. You have your standard backup camera. You have your engine start-stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Looking down from the radio, you have your traditional radio shortcuts. You have your dual climate control with your heated seats. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB with your 12-volt outlet alongside your wireless charging pad. The button right here are your drive mode with your parking view. Beside the shift knob, you have your electronic parking with your auto hold. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is the IVT, Intelligent Variable Transmission. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS Safety Connect with your Blue Link. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with more black cloth seats. Your passenger has 2 tight seat outlets. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door pane, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 14.2 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a couple of 32-inch TVs back here.
Once again, huge shout out to Southern Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2024 Hyundai Elantra. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.